Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add haze in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add haze, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. And now, choose a photo that you want to add haze to. For now, I'll choose this photo. Now, to add haze to this photo, simply click on Edit and select the Effects option. Now, here are three options in Effects, that is Texture, Clarity and Dehaze. If we increase the dehaze, it will clear the image like this. But if we decrease the dehaze, it will add haze to the photo just like this. And you can increase the haze according to your preference just like this. And just like that, we have added haze in our photo in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.